FIBRETAPP, fastener for corrugated fiber cement sheets. Experience swift and effortless installation with a single self-drilling operation, making it easy to secure corrugated fiber cement sheets. Featuring an EPDM Dome Washer that compensates for surface irregularities and provides a watertight seal, protecting fiber cement sheets from moisture damage. The FIBRETAPP wing creates a 10 mm pilot hole to allow for thermal expansion. This is how the pilot hole was formed. LEVIN 4 drill point enhances drilling speed and precision. It handles up to 8 mm of steel. FIBRETAPP is designed to replace G-hooks. It's ease of use and speedy. Easy installation. Make it the go-to solution for fiber sheet fixings.